What if you could make money online from anywhere with no experience? Imagine living life on your terms, doing what you want to do, and making an income while doing it. Sound like a dream? Let me help you turn your dream into a reality with these 3 practical tips. I know how it feels to be stuck financially, constantly wondering how you're going to make ends meet or how you could create a better life for you and your family. I've been there too. There are 3 common barriers that people face when they begin to look at ways to earn extra money online. And the first is simply time. Do I have enough time to actually start earning money online? And the second part of that, they go hand in hand. Do I have the resources to get started? Do you have the time and the money to actually start working on earning money online? And the second is knowing where to start, right? There is so much information out there and it is conflicting, right? You might watch one video telling you one thing and the next video is telling you something completely different. So it is so hard to know where to get started, even when you do your research. And the third barrier is feeling overwhelmed. Both kind of goes hand in hand with the other 2 I told you, right? You just start to feel completely overwhelmed with all of the information that you're getting because you don't know where to get started. You don't know how to get started. You don't know if you have the money to even get started. It is all just so overwhelming. But I am here to help you figure it all out. What is your biggest challenge when it comes to making money online? Please share in the comments. I'd love to use it to create a future video. What is the challenge that is holding you back from earning money online? Tip 1, start freelancing. Freelancing is where you offer your marketing services to businesses or individuals, and you are going to be promoting their products for them. In any way you choose, you would talk to the individual or the business to see how they would like you to promote them. Typically, it is through social media platforms such as YouTube or TikTok. This is a great way to get your foot in the door as a beginner because it is flexible. You are able to set your own hours, right? You can work around your schedule if you're still working a full-time job. And the other cool thing is you are starting your own business here. You are becoming an entrepreneur and starting out on your own. Tip 2. Digital marketing. This is where you would be promoting a product, such as an e-course, an ebook, and you're going to use social media to promote that product. You're going to use social media, emails, websites, and you're going to promote that product where your targeted audience is, which is on social media. These are the people that are hanging out on social media. You are going to be targeting them to try to sell your digital product. The benefits of this, it is also flexible. You work around your schedule in the time that is right for you. So this is another one that is great if you already have a 9-to-5 job. You're able to do this in your spare time. Again, this one is scalable, meaning you can start small and work up and make it a much bigger business. And you can take your time with this. You don't have to work fast. Again, if you are already working in a full-time job, you can take your time with this and build it up. Could even become potentially one day your full-time job. Tip 3, sell digital products or e-courses. This sounds pretty simple. It's exactly what it is. You are simply going to be selling digital products. Now, a digital product is anything that can be sold online, things that you can't touch, right? You're not going to be shipping anything. You're going to be transmitting it online. So think ebooks, think guides, think e-courses. Now, you can sell these for other people, or you can create your own to sell. Now think, if you create your own, you get 100% of that profit, right? Because it's yours, you created it, and you are selling it. The great thing about this is it is flexible. Like everything I've talked about here, it's all flexible. You can do this in your spare time around your 9-to-5 job. Like I said though, if you want to make it your full-time job, you can slowly, step-by-step work up and create a much bigger company with this. Again, you are creating your own company. You are the boss. You are in charge. Personally, this is the one that I do. I invested in a course to learn how to do digital marketing. I think I told you I'm a teacher. That's what I do, right? If I want to learn something, I'm going to do it the right way. I'm going to take a course and learn how to do it. So I invested in this awesome digital marketing course that came with a done-for-me website, a done-for-me sales funnel, because I'm not tech savvy. And so that was all done and set up for me. It had trainings. It showed me how to do everything with digital marketing because I didn't know what digital marketing was. I was clueless. So I learned how to do it and became better at my craft. I was learning as I was beginning to earn that money. So that's another way, is selling these digital products. When I bought the course, right, I bought it to learn. It also had a resale rate, so I'm able to turn around and resell that very course that got me started in digital marketing. And the cool thing is I earn 100% profit by doing that. So if you're curious about what I'm doing, let me know in the comments. I can help you get started and give you some information on that as well. Which tip are you most likely to try? Let me know in the comments. I would love to create some more videos around these 3 tips. So let me know which ones you're most interested in. The ones that get the most answers, then I will create a separate video on that. For example, if a lot of people are interested in freelancing, I can create a video on how to get started in freelancing. So let me know in the comments, which one would you like to try? So you may be wondering about the benefits. What are the benefits of making money and working from home? Well, I know I've said this word a lot, but flexibility. Flexibility is the part that I just love. You are able to work when you want, when you can, and what fits in best for you and your family. Like I said, it works great if you still are working that 9-to-5 job. You're able to fit it in to the other hours of your day. I like to work personally before my kids are up in the morning. Parents out there, you know what I'm talking about. Uninterrupted time with nobody calling your name or asking for a drink or asking silly questions. You get that uninterrupted time. So I do that for an hour to an hour and a half before my kids are out of bed. And then after the kids go to bed, I also work again for a little bit. And I do, during the little nooks and crannies of my day, lunch breaks or whatever, I will also answer emails and things like that. So I just completely love the flexibility of working from home, earning money from home. It also allows you to travel. So usually, your 9-to-5 job, if you want to go on vacation, you have to ask off. With this, you take it with you. When you're earning money online, you take this job with you, take your phone with you, take your laptop with you. You can continue working even from the beach. Imagine sitting on the beach and getting your work done, just working for a couple hours a day and earning that passive income. So the flexibility part is just amazing. The other part that is awesome, I talked a little bit about this too, the scalability. You can start small. You don't have to jump in there doing something huge, right? You want to start small. You want to figure out what you're doing because you want to get it right the first time. So take small baby steps as you learn and grow. And yes, eventually it could turn into something big. It could allow you to quit that 9-to-5 job if that is what you are looking for. And the other thing is just the skills you get. It's a whole new skill set that you learn when you are working online, and it gives you confidence. You start to feel really good about yourself as you learn these new skills and you get into this area you've never explored before. You'll find that your confidence is growing. I know I love that my kids are able to see that I started something from scratch. Me, mom. I started something and I was able to grow it into this business that has helped our family get the financial freedom that we were looking for. So the 3 tips that we went over today: freelancing, digital marketing, and selling digital products or e-courses. If you are interested or just would like some more information, you can absolutely go to my website. It is melissadailypay.com. You can get to that in the description or in the first comment under the video if you'd like to learn more information. And as always, please put your questions or comments in the comments as well. I do respond to those. I love to hear feedback from everybody. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will continue making the videos based on your suggestions. So remember, the first step is always the hardest, but you can do it. Take that first step, even if it's just asking for information and learning more. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.